Hello everyone, in this module we are going to study Pictet-Spengler reaction. Pictet-Spengler reaction is one of the methods to synthesize heterocyclic compound, basically well known method for the synthesis of isoquinolone or its derivative. It is a condensation reaction of beta-aryl ethylamine with aldehyde or ketone which undergo cyclization to form tetrahydroisoquinoline. If specifically aldehyde is used, which is used in also your exam, tetrahydroisoquinoline further undergo oxidation to generate isoquinoline derivative. So, Pictet-Spengler reaction is an organic reaction used to convert a beta-aryl ethylamine and aldehyde or ketone to tetrahydroisoquinoline using an acid catalyst which on oxidation converts into isoquinoline derivative. Let us understand this reaction by its mechanism. In the first step, activation of carbonyl of ketone will take place. This carbonyl oxygen will abstract proton from the acid medium which is present in the solution reaction medium and convert this carbonyl into hydroxy group which is becomes positively charged here, which activates carbon also by generating strong positive charge at the carbonyl carbon. Now, this positively charged, that is electron deficient center, will be attacked by the lone pair of electron on the nitrogen of beta aryl ethylamine. Hence, generation of generation of carbon nitrogen bond will take place here. Now, generation of carbon nitrogen bond will generate a positive charge at the nitrogen of aryl ethylamine. Hence, this positive charge on nitrogen on electronegative nitrogen atom is not good. Therefore, that can be stabilized by the abstraction of proton of nitrogen by the water molecule which is present in the reaction. Hence, generation of or nitrogen getting back its lone pair of electron. Now, this hydroxy group in the which is present this hydroxy group will abstract proton from the acidic medium to convert this hydroxy group, which is a bad leaving group, into a better leaving group, that is a hydroxonium ion, and cleave this carbon and generate a carbon positive charge on the carbon which can be stabilized simultaneously by the lone pair of electron on the nitrogen. Now here again positive charge generated at the nitrogen atom which is not again good with respect to electronegative element. So, to stabilize this electronegative positive charge, carbon-carbon double bond in the aromatic ring will insert its pi electron pair at the low LUMO, that is a carbon nitrogen, that is a pi star of this iminium ion. Okay, this iminium ion can be stabilized its positive charge by the cyclization by attack of pi bond at the pi star of the iminium ion carbon. Okay. So, now this leads to the lack of or loss of aromaticity, which can again be getting aromatized by the removal of this proton by the water molecule which is again present in the reaction medium, leads to the generation of this tetrahydroisoquinoline derivative. Now, if R group, if one of the R group R2, consider R2 as a H, then this tetrahydroisoquinoline undergo oxidation to generate oxidation, that oxidation leads to the aromatization, okay, hence generate isoquinoline molecule. This is all about Pictet-Spengler reaction. Thank you.